We're just feeling very blessed that we made it and that we're able to go and perform.
Pretty cool, right? The Brownsburg High School band getting one final practice in before they head to New York City for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. The Sound of Brownsburg, the only band from Indiana that will be performing. 150 students will be heading to the Big Apple, and another 300 also going to cheer them on.
I'm excited about this. The band leaves bright and early tomorrow morning. Wish TV photographer Andy Garrison takes us inside their last chance to put on the finishing touches before the big day.
I'm John Mark. I'm the assistant band director at Brownsburg High School. These kids have had an incredible season, but this will be a really fun, historic moment for the band to be able to go to New York City and represent the state of Indiana this year.
We are able to do this because of how you are and because of the standards that you represent. And we need to keep in mind that that is always present throughout this entire trip, correct?
Yes, sir!
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I play the clarinet in the Brownsburg High School marching band. I'm really excited. I feel like it's really surreal. I haven't realized that we're actually going yet.
First flight, I believe, leaves, meets at the school at, I think it's like 2 in the morning. I'm on the third flight though, so that's good.
Hi, my name is Matthew Smith. I'm the center snare in the Brownsburg drumline. I've been in the marching band for 5 years. Joined percussion back in the 6th grade.
When you were like a 5th grader and you hadn't even considered taking drums, did you think to yourself on Thanksgiving Day when you're watching this parade you're going to be in? Like, did you ever think you'd be right where you are right now?
Never. I never thought I'd be performing in a Thanksgiving parade of any capacity. So it's a pretty cool experience.
It definitely feels more open and out there and vulnerable to everyone since there's so many people in this parade.
We kind of have more of a cultured sound in this particular performance, which I think is something that Macy's wanted, something a little different. So we're that flair of different on Thanksgiving Day.
We're kind of just all a big family, and I think the love for each other is just it's universal between every single person here. And there's nothing really like our bond that we have.